everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. And today I have a little unboxing for you guys. So as many of you know, whenever you're on Facebook, you always get like these different ads about subscription boxes and different things like that. Well, I got an ad for an Eva Franco subscription box, and it's kind of like a weak moment in the evening, and I was like, oh, that would be fun. So Eva Franco in the past has been sold at Anthropologie. This is like a special 4-piece box of items, and I think that most of them, depending on if I like them, I'll probably keep what I like, but I might end up selling some of them, so we will see. I did kind of purchase it for myself, but also for reselling. It was a lot of money. It was $208 with shipping. I believe they say there's like 4 clothing items and then some other items, and that the box is like over $800 value or something like that. But if you've ever shopped at Anthropologie, you know their clothes are very overpriced. So anyway, I thought it'd be fun to unbox it for you guys and just show you. There's like a style quiz that they have you take, and so you choose if you know how fancy you want things to be, what colors you have in your closet, what sizes you are, and you know if you would like more tops or dresses or things like that. So I'm going to show you guys the box that I got. It's pretty big. It's a pretty big box. I am wondering if maybe there are maybe a dress in here, and this did take a couple weeks to arrive. It shipped out really quickly after they got my style quiz. Oh, cool. So it looks like it's a box within a box. Now, I believe it said that she picks out everything, which is the designer Eva. I really don't know if that's true. I guess it would depend on how popular these boxes are. Well, actually, I should show you. It looks like there's a receipt. Yep. Spring Surprise Fashion Box is what they call it. We should have shown that because that has my address on it. Anyway, this is the box, and it's got really cute wrapping. Really cute wrapping. It actually is handwritten. So who knows, maybe it's from her, I don't know. So far, it looks really nice. It did say there would be more than just, you know, there'd be some other items in here too. Okay, so it's got a little thank you card, which is kind of funny. Ring via Poshmark. Oh, cute. Okay, so it says, Dear Nicole, thank you for your order. I hope this will delight you for days. Best, Eva Franco. So it looks like it is from her, and I have a cute little necklace with an N, a brass necklace, it says. That's cool. So Eva Franco, like I said, I believe it has those items have been sold at Anthropologie. So that's kind of cool. And I'm just gonna open this. I assume she has at least an assistant, but if this is something I really like, then, and this good quality, then I'll definitely maybe do it again. $200 is a lot for 4 pieces, but it does say there should be some other goodies in here too. This is really pretty tissue paper, or wrapping paper. I don't know if I'll be able to keep it nice. I really like it though, because it's like kind of 70s. Sorry, it's taking me forever to get this open. I wanted to save the paper if I can. It's pretty heavy duty. It's not a... Alrighty, let's open it up. It's got tape here too. Tape on one side. I'm really hoping that I got some cute stuff for the springtime. Okay, so here is the inside. It looks like there's some cute little masks and maybe a hair thing. Okay, so they did want you to like send a photo of yourself. I don't know if that was just to see, you know, for styling purposes. I don't know. I did not do that because who has time for that? This is cute. Kind of big. You like that? That's a cute mask. Okay, this is super cute. It is a little headband. I'll definitely wear this. And it's got cute, oh, I get it. Actually, this headband is for this. So you just put it behind there. This is really cute, but I would probably wear the headband actually because it's really cute. But I don't know if I wouldn't, you know, I don't know if I'd wear the whole mask thing with it because I don't have to wear these all day long. But okay. Eva Franco and Jeanette Justice Capsule Collection. Los Angeles, California. So it looks like some collection. Cute. That's just plain. A lot of papery things, but that is fun. I'm looking for, wow, this looks like a dress. I'm kind of worried that it's going to be a little too dressy. I'm excited. This is so fun. Okay, this is a dress. Is it a dress? It is a dress. Okay. Oh, well, this is kind of cool, guys, because it does have an Anthropologie tag. So I like that because I can market it as Anthropologie. So this is actually a beautiful midi dress. This is very pretty. Small petite, my size. I actually like it because this might be cute for Valentine's Day next year. It's cute. It is cute, and it says it's originally a $188 dress. Would I pay $50 for it? No, but for a surprise. For a surprise. I'm hoping I got at least one top. Okay, this is a top. Okay. This is cute. Small petite. It is cute. I mean, it's not like my favorite. I did kind of ask for, I think, cropped. But that's cute. You know, I did put small petite because I'm a petite. I'm very short. But I'm a little nervous about that because that's going to be harder to sell probably. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I got a cute skirt. I really, really like this actually. I wonder if how it will fit me. It says it's a 4. It's cute. That is adorable. And it does have a tag. It says it's originally $118, so that is actually really cute to me. I really like it. I'll have to try this stuff on. Here's another skirt. Oh, the skirt is so cute. For petite, again, my size. This skirt is really cute. I think this skirt is gonna be mine for sure. Well, I really like the two skirts a lot. I am kind of bummed out that I only got one top. I'm a little bummed out about that. As a reseller, is there anything else? No. As a reseller, skirts don't do great for me, and I don't think I could probably sell these skirts for, maybe if I could find a cute stock photo, but I don't think maybe this one I could sell for 50, I don't know. I am happy though. So besides the skirt, let me go back over. This is adorable. It's like red and navy, and it's like crocheted. This is a beautiful skirt. I'm definitely gonna wear this skirt. It is so cute. The whole purchase might be worth that skirt. This skirt I think is super cute too. And if it fits, it seems a little bit smaller. I kind of have big hips, so, but if it fits me, I'm gonna definitely keep this. That's adorable. This top is not my favorite. I kind of wish they would have given me something different. I did put, I think, blue and green. I have blues and greens. I don't know, I don't care for it that much. Maybe if I wore it tucked in. I'll have to try all this on, you know, and see if I like it. And then the dress. And I actually think the dress is really cute too. I think the most fun about this is that it was a surprise. I didn't know what I was getting. And maybe things that I wouldn't originally pick up, you know. They're adorable. And I like it that this actually says Anthropologie on it. The other 3 items don't have an Anthropologie tag. But I like it that it says Anthropologie on it because I think that will make it sell easier if I put like Eva Franco Anthropologie. I don't know how much I could get for that dress. I'll have to kind of look and see. I wonder if I could look it up right now with you guys. I don't think it's pink rose. So let me see. I'm just gonna look it up here online and see if I can find anything. Eva Franco Anthropologie. Pink dress, I guess. Anthropologie is selling these dresses for like $120. It says pink and pink rose. Pink rose. Pink rose. Not seeing it currently, but maybe if I can definitely like look around. I'll have to look around and see. You know what I'm gonna check real quick before I get off here, guys? I'm just gonna check Poshmark and Eva Franco dresses and sold. And then I'm also going to do condition new at tags. So some of these are going for a good amount. I don't see any of this particular one. Someone has a dress that sold for $78. The first listing that shows sold was $115. The next one was $98, $58, $68. But then there's also like $15. Someone sold a dress for $15, $20. You know, I'll probably start this higher just because I did pay up for it. You know, but yeah, I'll probably start higher because I did pay up for it. But honestly, I think it's a super cute dress, and I probably would do this again. I might do it again, maybe sometime soon, because I think, you know, because they do eat everyone's individually. It's not like, I don't think I would probably get the same thing, so I could do it again. Maybe I will, because this was fun. It was really fun to pick out, you know, to get pieces that I maybe wouldn't find at the thrift store, or I wouldn't find going up thrifting. We don't have an Anthropologie store really around here at all. And they're really cute. I like the skirts especially. I'll probably end up keeping them if they fit me good. And they did send me the sizes that I asked. It was very accurate to that. I did kind of mention, I think maybe I did a 6 out of 10 for like dressiness. So if next time I could do something that was less dressy, I'd probably get maybe more tops or maybe pants or something. But yeah, so this was kind of fun. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know in the comment section what your favorite piece was. I'm sure you could probably easily look this up, but I found it on Facebook, and yeah, so it's kind of fun. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. We will see you guys later. Bye!